In the heart of Owen Sound, there's a place where night come alive. Welcome to Tipsy Fox. Step inside and you are greeted with the warm glow of our bar, the rhythm of music and the buzz of good company. From the first sip to the last toast, every moment here is worth savoring. Our bartenders are master of their craft, from hand-shaken cocktails to ice-cold pints. Every drink tells its own story, made with care, flavor, and a touch of flair. And because no great drink should be enjoyed alone, we have got the perfect bites to match. Crispy, savory, and always fresh, it's all part of the experience. The Tipsy Fox is not just a bar, it's a community. A place where strangers become friends and friends become family. Every night brings new faces, familiar smiles, and stories worth sharing. From live music to theme nights, there's always something to keep the energy high and the good times rolling. So these kind of events are the core of Tipsy Fox, where you can enjoy the nightlife and events so that your children, you and your parents can enjoy. So from one last tour to one last toast, to the nights you will always remember. The Tipsy Fox, where Owen Sound comes to sip, savor, and stay a while. See you tonight.